Hello everyone, welcome back to Ruti. Want to know what is true happiness? You guessed it right. That's the topic for today. What is happiness? We often associate happiness with a number of external factors. We often spend all our effort in the gratification of our senses. However, the happiness that is derived in such manners are only for temporary basis and becomes connected with cycles of sorrow in life. True happiness can only originate from a peaceful mind, and that is not dependent on any external factors or situations. For example, water of different rivers enter into the ocean, but the ocean remains calm. Likewise, a person who is not disturbed by the interrupted flow of desires can only achieve peace, and not a man who runs after the desires and strives to satisfy such desires. Did you know there are three types of happiness? One is pure happiness, one is result-oriented happiness, and the other one is slothful happiness. Let's know what is true happiness. True happiness is a happiness that arises from the elevation of your soul and mind. Such minds remain calm, they are uninterrupted. However, attaining such mind is not an easy task. It needs a lot of discipline and practice. That is why it feels like poison in the beginning and nectar at the end. Result-oriented happiness? Let's know what is result-oriented happiness. This is a happiness related to materialistic pleasure that is derived when the senses come in contact with external objects, like purchasing gold, purchasing a house or a car. That gives them a sense of pleasure and happiness. However, this kind of happiness is temporary. Slothful happiness. Let's know what is slothful happiness. This is the lowest form of happiness and is derived from sleeping or being lazy. The soul is never nurtured through these practices. Yet, since there are tiny sense of pleasures associated with it, people wrongly consider it to be a state of happiness. Sleeping on the couch, watching television makes them happy. Now, let's understand how do we handle situations in a better manner. Problems happen automatically in life. Happiness is a choice. We all have to make it happen. Anger happens automatically in life. Peace is a choice. We all have to make it happen in life. Hatred happens automatically. Love is a choice. We have to choose it. Being negative happens automatically. But being positive under situations is a choice. We have to choose it. Complaining happens automatically. But choosing gratitude makes you wiser. So choose the right one. Make a worth choice and live a blissful, happy life. For today, this is the topic. I hope you all enjoyed knowing the state of mind. Being happiness is the right choice. But how do we be happy? Selecting the right choices. By having a peaceful mind, love, positive attitude, having gratification, all such small things leads to happiness. Thank you for being a part of Ruti. See you all in the next video.